So in this video, I'll be showing you how to revert to the default icons theme on your Samsung Galaxy A06. So begin by accessing the Galaxy theme store, and we have two methods we can use. The first is by long pressing on an empty space on your home screen, and then you want to select themes. Alternatively, you can always just open the settings app, and then you want to scroll and select display. You want to scroll and select themes, and under themes you should see the Galaxy theme store. So from here you want to tap on this category labeled menu, then you want to select my stuff. Under my stuff, select the option icons because you're changing the icons theme. Then from here you should see the theme labeled default, so just tap on it to select it, and then you want to tap on apply so that you can revert to it as your default theme. And so once the process is complete, you'll be redirected to your home screen where you can see the icons theme has already been applied to your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.